Deep in your brain sits a tiny pine cone-shaped organ called the pineal gland. Harvard Medical School researchers have discovered that this small gland produces melatonin, your brain's natural neuroprotector. Melatonin doesn't just help you sleep, it clears inflammation, creates new neural connections, shields your brain from age-related damage and decline. But here's the catch. Recent studies show that fluoride found in toothpaste, tap water, and processed foods builds up in the pineal gland. This toxic buildup decreases natural melatonin production, leaving your brain vulnerable to brain fog, memory loss, rapid decline in focus and clarity. The good news: there are simple steps you can take at home to protect your pineal gland and boost melatonin naturally. Drink filtered water, reduce fluoride exposure in tap water. Limit processed foods. Many packaged foods contain hidden fluoride. And prioritize sunlight exposure. Natural light helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Meditate or practice relaxation, reduces inflammation and stress in the brain. Maintain healthy sleep habits. Sleep supports natural melatonin production. This is where Pineal Guardian X comes in. It's a powerful natural supplement designed to flush toxic fluoride from your pineal gland, restore natural melatonin production, act as a neuroprotector to support memory, focus, and brain clarity. With its unique blend of ingredients, Pineal Guardian X helps your brain stay sharp and resilient, giving you the mental edge you need every day. If you want more brain-boosting tips and natural solutions to protect your mind, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Take control of your brain health today with Pineal Guardian X.